Let me tell you something very important. A daughter confidence often start with her father, especially if you are raising a daughter. You need to understand this truth. If you want to know whether a woman will grow up happy, strong, and secure. Look at how her father treated her. When she was little, a girl who grew up loved and supported by her father carries confidence naturally. She grows up believing I deserve love. I deserve respect. I deserve to be valued. And because of that, she usually builds a much healthier life. But the opposite is painful. Girls who grow up criticized, rejected, or emotionally ignored by their fathers often spend their life fighting feelings of unworthiness. And the dangerous part, when a manipulative man gives them even a little attention, one compliment, one cheap dinner, a few sweet words, suddenly she thinks finally someone sees my value. That is why women who never receive love and confidence while growing up can become easier to control emotionally. Now let me tell you about my wife. She grew up deeply loved by her father. Since childhood, he always told her, "Daughter, you are amazing. Whatever you want to do, I will support you. You do not need to marry just because of age. You deserve the best life possible." That kind of support changed everything. That is why in her 20s she had the courage to travel alone into Afghanistan and Pakistan, mining regions. She had the courage to negotiate gemstone deals by herself. She had the courage to build a business worth millions. Today, she is a mother of four, pregnant with our fifth child, and still carries unbelievable confidence. She never feels less than anyone. She wants something, she goes after. If she wants wealth, she earns it herself. If she wants a luxury home, she buys it herself. She does not need to depend on any man for survival because her father already gave her a greatest gift, confidence in her own work. So, to all father listening, your words shape your daughter's future. Please do not become the first man who makes her feel small. Become the man who supports her so strongly that no one can easily break her later in life. That is the confidence every daughter deserves. So tell me, my father gave me confidence. My father did not, so I built it myself. I am a father and I want to give my daughter that confidence. Follow Tahir to see the real life behind the modern jewelry business family.